Hi everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn. Okay, this is a short video and what I'm making today, I'm going right into it. What I'm making today is a mug cake. Now, I've looked at many videos, excuse me, on YouTube, and the one that I like the best is by Spice Bites. This is a 1 minute, it should take 1 minute to cook. A couple of things I don't have is sprinkles, and I don't have vanilla extract, but I have lemon, so we have to work with that. Okay, so let's get started. So it's not that many items. You need 4 tablespoons of flour. 4 tablespoons of flour. Okay, and you need 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder. Then I'm told to stir that well, mix it up good. And the other thing that I did, I don't know if it was right or wrong, I shifted my flour. That might have been a no-no. Okay, so do that. And then put in 1 tablespoon of sugar. You put in a pinch of salt. That's always my thing, a pinch of salt. Okay. I'm assuming that that's a pinch of salt. And you put in melted butter, which is 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Okay, did all that. You put in your vanilla, which I don't have, but it's 1/4 of lemon extract. Okay, so let me get that. Oh, that looks like too much. Okay, I think that's it. And then you put in 3 tablespoons of milk and you mix it well. Well, another video said don't put all the milk in at once because it'll get lumpy. So I'll put that much in. And I'm going to mix it well. Oh, I don't know if they're... Oh, this is really small, you guys. I should put it in a different mug. Okay, this mug is too big. Oh, what size mugs did they have? I don't know. Okay, let's try this out. Okay, and at this point, you would put in your sprinkles, which I don't have. That's one of the things I don't have. I had some milk in there. I'm going to put it in this one because it looks like this one would fit more. You can see that it's nice and creamy. I hope you can see that. I was going to put a little yellow coloring in it, but when I looked on the box, it had sodium benzoate in it, and I remember that from a long time ago that caused cancer. And so I decided, well, I'm not going to put that in it. Okay, you guys, wish me well with this. I didn't think it was that small amount, but I thought it was going to overflow, honestly. So I grabbed that one, but that seemed to be like not the thing. I'm going to stir it a little bit more. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute and I'll be back. Microwave. Okay, you guys, I am back and I put it in for 1 minute and 12 seconds. I should have just did 1 minute, but I was wondering, I was a little nervous, so I poked it with a you know, with this here. I don't know why I get on here. I can't remember things. Well, I can't remember stuff a lot of the time. So let's see what it looked like. Okay, that's what it looked like. Okay. Now, I don't have any sprinkles, so it looks really plain. I'm going to taste this. The texture was really hot. I need some frosting. Not sweet enough for me, but it's okay. I think it just needs some frosting. That's what it looked like at the bottom. So I think that extra 12 minutes, 1 minute and 12 seconds, may have helped because each microwave is different. So tastes like cake, but neat frosting. Let me know if you try it. I hope you guys like this quick video, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.